boom. Look at that row, boom. You like, oh, he got his plants off up in here. Yeah. Shouts out to that plant type up in here too. You know, we got security in the building. Shouts out to that guy. He does his job. Plants look whatever, but you know we'll keep it cracking for now. I'll check that one because it's about ready to have its pH adjusted. Shout out to pH signs being a problem because hell, they let me know it's ready for other problems dealing with pH. That means you're ready for some adult fucking handling, which means I'll have to handle you like an adult. Yeah, speaking of adults, those fucking are the older ones over there on that back wall. That's why they're a little taller. Yeah, they got about a week and some change, maybe 2 weeks on the other ones. Yeah, but you know how it go. They coming in when they come in. Shit. Garden spots is like get in where you fit in. That's why we gonna take 1, 2, and 3 in there. Yeah, which will be just enough to fill that tent back up. Cause like I said, we gonna run it 6 and 6 in both the flower tents, straight autos. So I'm officially at my plant counts flowering, as far as flowering plants, right? Keep it all legal. Shout out to knowing what them personal, recreational, and medical laws are, because that's exactly what we'll do in our home, right? Keep it copacetic, especially having YouTube content out here. This motherfucker's growing illegal, but he's on YouTube. No, I actually got my cultivation authorization. Yeah, and I'm at my plant count. At my plant count. Authorization says it right there. Cultivation authorization. Boy got that motherfucker right there. Yeah, just ready for you to show you. Straight when you come in. Don't even fake. Don't even fake. Hell. Shit. That's why Harley Quinn kissing you goodbye. Cause she know you gonna be leaving and she'll be looking at the ladies like, ladies, how you doing? Popcorn is special. Hey, don't say nothing to them. Let's see. Says we still got 2 people watching. But y'all know we got one more to put in this tent. Tent city. Tent city. City. Get them gone. Treat them right. Get them gone. Treat them right? Take them off and duck them off. Oh, how you just sitting in there? Light growing. These autos don't need much attention for now because they're autos. Hell, I ain't gotta wait. I ain't gotta do nothing but wait. They don't just grow and grow and grow. That's the good thing about having them in a pot with straight water under the light. They got their water, so they don't just grow. And then I put food in there whenever I remember to do it, right? And then they'll end up somewhere. They might make it. They might make it. Boom. Alright, so that's the last bucket that I said I was going to put in here. Switch these around because UOENO. A good tree you don't even roll. Alright, so now we got that thicker looking one over there in the corner. We'll pick her up later, right? uh, and then the rest of them chicas, they gonna sit here and do their thing for however many days it takes for them to complete themselves. But they've been in here for a little bit, so they're autos. They'll make it. Those back 3 was the originals. It says those are which ones? I'll have to look because it don't say the right labels on there. Those are old ones. Need to peel them cat back.